Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 32 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to align, distribute and group objects inside of InDesign. So over here I'm going to drag in a rectangular tool and drag in a rectangular tool over here, and you can see these are of different sizes just like that. Alright, so now I'm going to fill this up with a color so that you can see it better, and now we're going to align this. So if I were to click it over here, you can see that it actually will help me line up these things. So these will actually auto attach to each other, saying that these are the equal space, as you can see right here. So now there are other easy tools to align these shapes all together and distribute them. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go out into the align tool, which is under Windows Object and Layout option, where you can see align. So over here, if you were to select this align left edges, you can see that it will take the leftmost shape as a sample and will align everything to the left. If we were to align everything to the center, you can see that it'll align it to the center and align it to the right, just like that. You can see that I can actually select this, and you can see that it'll take the rightmost shape if you want to align it to the right, and then it'll align it to the leftmost shape if you want to align it to the left. Over here you can also do this. You can select the shape over here just like this. Alright, and you can center align it, left align or right align, as you can see. So you can see that if I were to select a shape before and if I were to align it, it'll align it accordingly. So you can also do a top line align. So you can select all of it, do a top line align over here, do a center align or a bottom align, just like that. And over here you can even distribute this, as you can see. So let me just select all of these just all together, select all of these together just like this, center align all of these, and then select this to distribute the object vertically, and this one helps you to distribute the objects horizontally. So you can select all of it and distribute this horizontally, as you can see, and you can center align all of these. So this is actually how you align the objects. And if you want the object to be grouped together, what you can do is you can select all of it and then you can group this. So you can group it, and now you can see that this becomes one object. If you were to double click it, you can see that it kind of seems like it is ungrouping, but it is inside the group itself. And if you were to click outside, this becomes a group again. So you can go inside, you can select both of these. Like you can say, you can see that you can individually align the group objects and click outside, so that now it becomes a group again. And if you want to ungroup it again, you can simply right click and press ungroup. So you can also group in two objects, like group these together and group these together, and you can see that now outline shows on both of those shapes. So this is how aligning, distributing and grouping works inside of Adobe InDesign. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.